call. I pity the fool who don't walk tall. While they were being knocked down, I was being erected, selected, right for the picking, squeeze us, Jesus Christ. Midnight heist to rob you of your jewels. More tools than a chippy, born slipping. Loads and words over and over again like I'm getting lippy. Pity, doubt it man when you try to hit me. Shocked, as the same attitude you walk in with, be the same bad attitude that kicks your fucking arse. Class has just begun. Run son to the dwellings of the great one. Take one, roll one, flake and shake some. Saturday morning wake and bake some. Humdrum, take the day off. Double run for brekkie, stuffing my broadcast box. Apathetic like a specky trekkie fan. Dan, ain't making no plan for today. Won't walk this way like Aerosmith. Lay in bed, smoke a split, create a week that you can't outdoor the breeze. Wheeze like a man of 80, the neighbours hate me. Yeah, bollocks, it's your disapproval that create me. Grow stronger when you slate me. And girls, if you wanna date me, don't get opinions of the locals cause they don't rate me. Too high cause I roll around high looking fly. Facial age for a guy of 28. Only as old as you feel, yeah, remain juvenile. While you watch Deal or No Deal, no man, that shit I don't feel. Blobby's best mate and the banker, wanker, man with a facial arse crack, making a comeback, and you're buying it. They just want big viewing ratings and you're supplying it. Caught 5 minutes of a filth at his big brother, felt ashamed, spent the next day denying it. Looking at me like some boss-eyed cunt cause I'm stoned. You should be publicly stoned, you make me sick to my stomach like bile. Jeremy Kyle at 9:25, ain't it great to be alive? You survive off crisis loans. You can't all that fucking crap off your kid's Chevy, but you can support the latest mobile phones and fat Claire's. You think you're going somewhere, man, you're rolling on squares. You just been overtaken by the black mag, biggest horns in the quarter, top stag.
Puffin' on the fat block, puffin' on the fat block, puffin' on the fat block.
Examine it, I'm fucking manning it like Securicor, on call. I pity the fool who don't walk tall. While they were being knocked down, I was being erected, selected, right for the picking, squeeze us, Jesus Christ. Midnight heist to rob you of your jewels. More tools than a chippy, born slipping. Loads and words over and over again like I'm getting lippy. Pity, doubt it man when you try to hit me. Shocked, as the same attitude you walk in with, be the same bad attitude that kicks your fucking arse. Class has just begun. Run son to the dwellings of the great one. Take one, roll one, flake and shake some. Saturday morning wake and bake some. Humdrum, take the day off. Double run for brekkie, stuffing my broadcast box. Apathetic like a specky trekkie fan. Dan, ain't making no plan for today. Won't walk this way like Aerosmith. Lay in bed, smoke a split, create a week that you can't outdoor the breeze. Wheeze like a man of 80, the neighbours hate me. Yeah, bollocks, it's your disapproval that create me. Grow stronger when you slate me. And girls, if you wanna date me, don't get opinions of the locals cause they don't rate me. Too high cause I roll around high looking fly. Facial age for a guy of 28. Only as old as you feel, yeah, remain juvenile. While you watch Deal or No Deal, no man, that shit I don't feel. Blobby's best mate and the banker, wanker, man with a facial arse crack, making a comeback, and you're buying it. They just want big viewing ratings and you're supplying it. Caught 5 minutes of a filth at his big brother, felt ashamed, spent the next day denying it. Looking at me like some boss-eyed cunt cause I'm stoned. You should be publicly stoned, you make me sick to my stomach like bile. Jeremy Kyle at 9:25, ain't it great to be alive? You survive off crisis loans. You can't all that fucking crap off your kid's Chevy, but you can support the latest mobile phones and fat Claire's. You think you're going somewhere, man, you're rolling on squares. You just been overtaken by the black mag, biggest horns in the quarter, top stag.
Puffin' on the fat block, puffin' on the fat block, puffin' on the fat block.
The gang, talking about the fool I am. Hang for a second while I glide to the jam session and start expressing with more bang than the big bass. Routine handling a man, diggity dang dang. understand, Diggy. Don't you do this? Read the history, see the samurai were Buddhist. All about peace, leaving the beast toothless. The proof is conclusive, it's you if you're useless. Used to your way of doing things, but it was fruitless. It's now time for us to bear harvest. Thoughts from the farthest reaches, tales of mice for men, speeches from lifeless leeches. Find myself in stitches and creases, listening to politicians telling me what he says.
Man, you act like you're too cool for school. Listen, Pebble, you're just scrap on the precious metal. Jewel, you're not supposed to break any, but you broke the golden rule. Dude, that's not cool. We all headed for the light at the end of the tunnel. Stop sitting on the fence, tense like pegs, scraping dregs out the small end of the funnel. Like Sally Gunnell, you had it once, but now I'm running rings round you, leaving you standing where I found you. Astound you, pound you, surround you like Dolby. Digital, super lyrical. My mind speaks and my body pops physical. You can't rival, got more premium.
Rub the lotion on your skin, throw the lotion in the basket. I will show you how I beat this ratchet Debbie with this hatchet. Show you how I beat this ratchet Debbie with this hatchet. Only do it to remove her from a plastic, and that's it. I smack earth, wind, fire, and flames out of these flames. Go from pretty to the range, you get hit like a train. Shot of your frame, believes a stain. Coppers covered in brains, calling the whole crew to help me fucking rid your remains. Buffalo Dill, rising serpent of Bill, the big kid, a little young. Compare they fucking lift up your gun. This 9 sparks bright like the fucking stars of the sun. Every war I've been in, I'm
more like 10 nights on the table, merry men. Genesis to 2010 with 2012 to settle in. Don't panic, is what we're telling them.
On one, like Ken Hom, Yang can cook and so can I. So don't